Hello everyone and welcome to a new lecture, Regression without intercept. Sometimes your equations work better without an intercept. This can happen even though your p-values indicate otherwise. I always try it both ways just as a matter of course to see what the r squared is. So to run your regression without an intercept, you just have to follow this and learn from that. Okay, so we have our data here using the old grade data. Okay, so now result is equals to sm.ols formula is equals to grade age plus exercise hours data is equals to df fit. Now result summary. Okay, so we have this. Note that it is the -1 at the end of the formula that tells Python that you wish to eliminate the intercept. If you look at the results, you can see we now have a much higher r squared than we had in the last lecture. And we also have no p-values that cause us concern. Okay, so now we have a your turn question. Try running these simple regressions with no intercepts. Okay, so they have okay, let me rewrite it down. Okay, so try running these simple regressions with no intercept. Number 1, tests for the relationships between just grade and age. Second, tests for the relationships between just grade and exercise. And the last one, tests for the relationship between just grade and study. If you had to pick just one, which one do you like the best?